AI has completely changed content creation for everyone, but most people are using it the wrong way entirely. Because the truth is that tools like ChatGPT just aren't designed to help you get more views and grow your channel. So in this video, I want to share a tool with you that's helped me and thousands of bigger channels come up with ideas, titles, and thumbnails that actually get views and make people click. It's called 1 of 10, and I'm so impressed with it that I now use it every single day, and I've started rolling it out to all of my coaching clients. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to get more views and grow your channel quickly. And if you want to check it out for yourself, the first 100 people to use the link in my description can try it for just $1. And I think you'll see just why so many people are now talking about it. So once you've created your account and connected your channel, this is the homepage that you're going to land on. I used to spend hours on YouTube scrolling through the homepage trying to find ideas for my next video. But since I've started using 1 of 10, it's saved me so much time, because even from the homepage, you can immediately see that we've got outliers which relate directly to my channel and my niche. And this will be the same for you when you sign in. So you can see here videos from my niche that are performing extremely well for the creators that uploaded them. And immediately that's going to give you an idea of what's trending right now on YouTube that people are going to be interested in. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of content ideation and saves you loads of time. If you scroll a little bit further down the page, you're going to see other outliers which aren't necessarily related to your niche, but still give you a really good idea of what you could be making. A lot of people think that they should only look at videos from creators in their own space, but actually a really good idea is to see what's trending on YouTube in general and then adapting proven video ideas and formats for your own style. Now today I'm going to be focusing mainly on the 3 things that have not only saved me time but helped me come up with really good video ideas and helped me make thumbnails in a fraction of the time they're used to. And it's something that I now use every single time I make a video. So you're going to see on the left-hand menu here, you've got idea generator, title generator, and thumbnail generator. And those are the 3 things that I'm going to focus on showing you today. And they're the things that are going to save you so much time in addition to helping you get more views and grow your channel. So clicking into the idea generator here, all you need to do is click on generate ideas, and its AI is going to search YouTube and your channel for things that you could make your next video about. And it doesn't just guess, it does it based on what's trending right now, both inside and outside your niche, which I think you'll agree is really powerful. And it's something that ChatGPT could never do. Now you have got a toggle here, which I leave on because not only is it going to generate the idea, but it's also going to create a thumbnail for you that you can use straight away. And this is one of the things that excited me so much about the tool when I first started using it. Now it does take a couple of minutes, so I often leave it to do its thing, go and make a drink and then come back. And often I'm really amazed at the results. Now, once it's finished doing its thing, you're going to see straight away that it's come up with loads of great ideas for your channel. And not only that, the really cool thing is it's made thumbnails for me. So it saves me so much time. A lot of my clients that are using this tool have seen their views triple or even quadruple just from the ideas and the thumbnails alone. So let's have a quick look at what it's made for me. And then I'm going to show you what you can do to further tweak them. As you can see, there are already some really great ideas here. And all I'd have to do is click on it and either download the thumbnail and then use the title to make a video myself, or I could click on the thumbnail that I like and then further edit it. Now, if that wasn't good enough, there are some even better features on this platform that I'm going to show you now. We're going to head on over to the title generator. And this is where you just basically give it a description of your video. And sometimes I like to upload a section of my script along with a title or an idea that I'm thinking of, and it will give me some really good title ideas that I can use straight away. So an example from my niche might be how to get more views on YouTube. So how to get more views on YouTube. And then all I've got to do is click generate, and it's going to come up with loads of title ideas inspired by my channel titles and outliers in my niche. And you can see here, it's taken my very simple title idea and it's given me loads of different alternatives that are far more likely to get clicked. And again, this isn't just guessing, this is using data from YouTube right now. Now, if you do like any of these titles, you can obviously just copy them to your clipboard and then use them when you upload to YouTube, or you can click the 3 dots and you can actually generate a thumbnail for that video idea that it's given you. And now you can see it's generating thumbnails based on the title that we just selected, which I think you'll agree are far better than anyone can make in the 10 seconds that this took. So I think you can see that using this title generator and the idea generator together are going to save you so much time on ideation and remove almost all of the guesswork when it comes to creation. And it's from this tool that I've been able to plan my next couple of months of uploads, which has taken so much stress out of the creation process. But that's not all. And I think one of the most exciting parts of this platform, and the thing that I use it for the most is the thumbnail generator. I used to spend hours sitting in Canva, fiddling around with thumbnails, making my own design. And to be quite honest, my thumbnails are fairly simple, but by using this tool, not only has it saved me time, but it's completely transformed the way that my thumbnails look. And if you look at the last couple of thumbnails on my channel, you'll see that they're suddenly looking a lot better, and it's all thanks to 1/10. You can see some of the designs that it's made for me recently. So we're just going to have a little scroll through and I'll show you. Now, it doesn't always get it right. I mean, obviously this looks nothing like me, but that's because it's based on a thumbnail from that channel. But if you don't like any of the thumbnails, you can edit them in AI further using a prompt. So for example, with this one, if we clicked into it, I might want to remove the text and add my own text later in Canva. In order to do that, I'd literally just tell it to remove the text. And I want to change my top. Hit enter and it's going to get to work for you. So now that it's finished generating, you can see that it's done exactly what I asked it to in a matter of seconds. It not only removed the text, but it also changed the color of my top. So what I'd usually do from here is I would download this thumbnail and then import that into Canva and add my own text, which saves me so much time. And another thing that's really impressed me is that I haven't had to take a photo for a thumbnail in months. I used to sit there with my camera, pulling stupid faces, taking photos of myself just to make a thumbnail. And now, well, the AI does it for me, which leaves me more time to focus on content creation and growing my business. So from here, you can either download it or you can click the upscale button like I've just done, and that's going to turn the image into a 4K resolution thumbnail for you. Now, it needs to be said that all of these actions do use credits because the tool itself costs 1/10, a lot of money every time you generate a thumbnail or a title because it's using powerful AI on the back end. But I found that I never run out of credits and each month they refresh, so I never have to worry about it. I'm going to download this now in 4K. And there's my thumbnail, ready to use or import into Canva to edit further. But that's not all, because if you've already got a video in mind, or perhaps you've already made your video and you just want to make a thumbnail for it, this is a really great tool to use because you can come here, put your title in, tell it what your video is about, or just prompt it to really tweak the thumbnail to how you want it. So we're going to use the same example that I did before about getting more views on YouTube, and we're going to see what it makes us. So this is what it's given me just based on the title alone, but we're not done there because you can further customize the thumbnail to suit your needs. What you can do, you can click on this button here and you can give it a reference image or even another thumbnail that you've made, which will then tell it exactly what sort of style that you're looking for. So for example, if I wanted to create a thumbnail from scratch, but maybe I already had a design that I wanted to tweak or improve, I could upload that thumbnail that I've already made as a reference image along with my face and then click on done and generate, and then it's going to make that thumbnail based on what I've already given it. So it's really customizable and you're not just stuck with what it gives you, which if I'm honest is one of my favorite things about this platform. And you can see straight away that it's come up with some really good designs that are better than I could ever make in the 10 or 20 seconds that it took. All of the designs that you do generate are always going to be saved on the platform. So just because you generate more, it doesn't mean that you're going to lose your previous work. What I do and what a lot of my clients are doing is they generate loads of thumbnails and just download them all into a big folder. So they're basically saving themselves time. That isn't all the platform can do. There are some other really cool features on here. For example, you've got the thumbnail winners tab, which is going to show you all of the A/B tests that other channels have done and how they performed, which again is just going to give you some really good ideas and some inspiration. They've also got a resources tab where you can reach out directly to them for support if you need it, ask them for one-on-one guidance, and they've even got a community. So if you want to connect with like-minded creators in your space or outside of it, then you can do that directly from the platform. And I've always said that community is one of the most important things on YouTube, and it's what helped me build my channel so quickly in the beginning. Now, it needs to be said that the tool is constantly evolving and they're adding new features all the time. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of the offer using the link in my description, because at the end of the day, $1 really isn't that much for such a powerful tool. And I'm sure that it's going to impress you as much as it did me. Using this tool is going to help you create the content that's going to generate more views and grow your channel quickly. But it doesn't stop there, because so many people are still making the same mistakes that destroy their videos' chances after they upload to YouTube. So in this next video, I explain the 9 things that you should never do after you upload your video. Watch that next and I'll see you over there. Thank you to 1/10 for sponsoring this video.